Hi, my name is Michelle Haggerty, and this is day one of my 30-day vlog or blog, whichever you want to call it. I started a blog, and I don't even know if it's live yet, but this will be posted on it. And I've decided to do 30 days of what's going on in this brain of mine. I'm trying to keep it short and just talk about the things that go on in a mom's life or in a mom's mind, and I just sometimes just need to get things out, and hopefully the other people are there with me. Today I wanted to talk about anxiety. It's something that I struggle with every single day, and some days more than others, and some days it's not even during the day, it's in my sleep, and I will wake up and have an anxiety attack, and half the time I'm not even awake and don't even recognize it until later on that anxiety and fear that is constantly in my body. And this morning I was reading my devotional, one of my devotionals, and it was about a song by Mosaic MSC, and oh gosh, I can't even remember the name of it. But the thing about the song and about what it was talking about today, it was talking about fear and anxiety. I think the whole thing is pretty much about that. But it repeats, Jesus, Jesus, you make the darkness tremble. And like in that devotional, they're talking about how just even saying the name Jesus will calm the seas. It will calm the seas that are raging in your mind or in your body. I think I did that. I'm pretty sure I did that this morning. It was probably about 3 a.m. And I was so stressed out because I had two toddlers in my bed fighting over my pillow and who wanted to sleep next to me, and they've both been sick for about a week. Well, one of them's been sick about a week. The other one is just on and off. I think he's just fighting allergies and stuff. But either way, so fed up. I'm so fed up and tired because I'm not sleeping, and it's daylight savings, and I have to open the gym every morning at 5:30, and it feels a whole lot earlier than 5:30 with this fun daylight savings. But either way, I'm gonna try to keep these videos under 5 minutes, but I wish it was under 3. Sorry guys. I'm gonna try to keep it unedited as well. Anyway, I remember so frustrated, and immediately all the things that come rushing into my brain are all of the things that I need to do and haven't done in just the couple days that they've been sick, and it's spring break, and I was thinking, oh my God, I didn't pay this bill. I have to get the taxes done. I can't believe I get the tax done. Oh my God, you suck. When are you going to get shit together? And all of the things that I haven't gotten done just started rushing in my mind and started telling me that I was failing. Before I even woke up in the morning, I was telling myself that I'm a failure, and that I broke my diet, and I'll talk more about that later, but I broke my diet throughout this whole baby sickness thing, and I'm using that as an excuse. And I drank last night, and I got to work out this morning, and I got to go to work, and I feel like crap. And I was telling myself, you suck. And I don't know, I just started praying, but I didn't have words in my brain to pray. All I just kept saying was Jesus in my mind. I'm like, oh, God, make it stop. God, make it stop. Make it stop. Make it stop. Just give me a second. Just give me some peace. Anyway, so I think I fell asleep after that. And I also think my husband took one of the babies into their room and got him to go to sleep. It doesn't mean I didn't have another toddler foot up my butt, but at least it was only one instead of 2. Anyway, that's my Michelle thought for the day. I'm trying to keep it under 5 minutes. Anxiety, it happens all the time, and I will talk about it more. I have it every day. When I was pregnant with the last baby, I had it every night when I woke up to go pee. Anxiety attack, and it still happens, but I think the difference now is that I know that everything's gonna be okay as long as I pray and just keep moving my butt forward. So that's my thought of the day. Michi's world of chaos, Signing out. I will talk to you tomorrow. This is day 1.